What if you can hire people that will help you broaden your audience, promote your products and services, help you rapidly scale your traffic and sales, and you only have to pay them a commission when they succeed? Let me introduce Kartra Affiliates to you. Hi, if you're new to this channel and you want to discover everything about social media marketing, social media advertising and online sales funnels, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And I'll promise you that I will give you a ton of valuable information. An army of affiliates is quite possibly the smartest solution to achieve more sales. Getting more traffic and ranking higher in search engines without any upfront work. You hire people to promote your product and you only pay them a commission when they succeed. Except finding the right affiliates and managing them isn't exactly a walk in the park. Without a good screening system in place, you have no idea if an affiliate really knows their stuff, or if they embarrass your business down the road. And depending on the kind of sales your affiliates are pulling in, it can be time consuming to number crunch payments that will do and calculate what already been paid out. Kartra wants you to have the opportunity to not only discover productive new partners, but optimize your existing business relationships and manage them in one simple organized place, making growing your business a cakewalk. Kartra manages and tracks your affiliate sales so you can quickly and efficiently build an army of salespeople without the stress or number crushing. Kartra Affiliate Marketplace gives you the opportunity to get in front of other Kartra professionals who are looking for products like yours to promote. And if they are interested, you can screen them with your own questionnaire and mandatory terms and conditions, so you know that they know their stuff. All accepted affiliates will have their own affiliate dashboard, while you have an insider's look at details analytics such as earnings per clicks, sales, rebills, conversions, and more for each and every affiliate on your team. For those all-stars, you can even set up different tiers of affiliate programs with special commission structures. And the best part? You get to set all the rules, such as commission percentage, what counts as a commission, a minimum amount of sales to unlock payments, and more. And then Kartra will handle all the rest. Nothing grows your revenue like a network of affiliates spreading the word about what you're selling. And nothing makes it simpler to grow your affiliate network than Kartra. Plus, when you get Kartra, you won't get a stellar tool for managing and recruiting affiliates. You will get every single tool you need, like email automation, a website builder, a product checkout, a video hoster, a membership builder, and more, all included at one affordable price. If you leave your name and email address in the section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. My name is Gerben Bulow and I'm the founder of Social Media Gids. Leave your name and email address, click on the link, and let's get started, get connected, get informed, and get active.